I am back with another video for you, and today is another Sephora Play unboxing, and this is going to be July's edition. So if you guys want to know what I got in this box, then just keep on watching. So I actually have scissors this time, which is never a thing. I actually have 2 scissors in my drawer, which I never really do. I can't even get it open. So, I feel like this would be 2 videos ago before this one. So my big Pretty Little Liars box, I couldn't think of the name. Well, that kind of blew up. For me, it kind of blew up. All of a sudden, in 3 days, so it's been 3 days since I uploaded that video, and there is almost 400 views in 3 days, which is very, very rare for me, like it's never actually happened before. So that's cool. I'm almost at 300 subscribers, which is also probably like not a lot for anybody either. Why is this so hard to like open today? So lots of things are happening on this channel. Definitely share my YouTube if you enjoy me and want to get me out there, because YouTube doesn't do it. It's all about you guys. And of course, Mom comes home. Can you even hear it? Hey Mom, by the way, I'm filming. Or not. Oh. Did you hear me? Huh? Did you hear me? No. I'm filming. Okay. So usually you get like usual, you get this pamphlet with the 50 points. You have to purchase something and then take it in to the actual Sephora. I really wish they would, like, for your app, and like you can scan it in. Why they don't do it, I don't know. And then they're redoing this bag, so just the Sephora Play bag. Just like, that's what it says. Alright, so first thing I get is this heat protectant. I have so many of these. So, yeah. Just something else I have, but yes, definitely will use it. Ooh! Next is this Biosense. And it's a moisturizer, so it's just a gel moisturizer, and just looks in this little green pot. Doesn't smell like anything, so there's that. So it's supposed to hydrate, brighten, and balance your skin. So it says weightless gel moisturizer infused with squalane. I don't even know. I'm not even going to start reading things. Anyways, moving on. A Wild Rose Oil by Caress. Just a little box like this. And it's just an oil. So, oh, it's a vitamin C brightening oil. So, if you ever use vitamin C, do not, if you have like acne cleansing stuff, don't use vitamin C afterwards. I just found that out. They like interact with each other, so do like your acne stuff first, and then the next other day do the vitamin C oil. So like, what is it? Acylic acid. Wow, words. Yeah, something like that. Like mostly everything in acne, just pretty much do it afterwards. I can't think of names. Next is just this Party Blush from Tarte. Actually, I'm wearing this currently. The thing fell out, but I'm using this currently. I already have a sample size of this. I actually really like it. It's a very neutral blush. Like you see, like you barely see it on my face. I really like that. Next is a liquid collagen oil. Okay, so it says follow with a moisturizer. So you want to always moisturize before using an oil. This is what it looks like. just because of the ratio, like the oil is thicker than the moisturizer, so it can't soak through the skin. Just something like that. And then last, is the Tarte. It's a Tarte Color Splash lipstick, and it's in the shade Salt Life, and it's in this shade. I'll swatch it for you. I love that color. So that is everything in this box. I'm definitely excited for this box. I'm definitely using everything. There's not always, you know how there's always that one thing that I'm always like, I guess with the heat protectant, but it's heat protectant, I'll use it. But usually things I'll be like, I'll use it maybe, but I'll probably never get around to it. I think everything in this is a bunch of skincare, which I really am looking around for new skincare things. So definitely enjoying that. And I've been using a lot of my samples lately. I used to like not use the samples and then go buy like bigger products to test out, but now I'm using the samples. So yeah, I'm definitely excited for this box. Definitely let me know if you've used any of these products and what you think about them down below. I would love to know your guys' opinions before testing these out. But I think that is all I have for you guys today. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?